Hey guys, if you can guys see here, this is gonna be my first actual video here on YouTube. I genuinely plan on posting more, creating more content for all of you, and I hope you guys will actually stick around for it. I don't want to continue wasting your time, so let's get into today's video.
Hardpoint identified. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint locked down.
Damn! Let me lock in real quick. Spoke too soon.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint locked down. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted. We've taken the lead.
Damn. How many kills do you think I'm going to get at the end of this match? Drop a number in the comment, by the way. Another one. Another one. I feel like this particular match is dead ass easy. Oh, I'm just good. One of the above.
Predator missile awaiting orders. Capture the objective. Capture the objective. Friendly Shock RC is coming. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint lost.
Jenny, I think my Wi-Fi right now goes. How do you tell me that I didn't get any shot on him? Like, I think one of the worst things I hate in COD is the match freedom. Like, where the fuck did they get that shit from? Like, I'm trying to understand, like, who the fuck invented match freedom? Let's be honest, we all hate it though.
Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint identified. Capture the... Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint contested. Enemy UAV spotted. Capture the objective.
Ninja.
Lost the lead. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested. close. Fight harder. Hostiles have captured the hard point. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint contested. Capture the objective. Heads up. Enemy RAF deployed. Advanced UAV is ready. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have the hardpoint.
Can you hold them is the recover?
Hardpoint is ours.
Finish up. Twice in a row.
Hardpoint is ours.
I can't even complain at this point, guys.
Hardpoint contested. Capture.
Wait, what's worse? Trying to run from martyrdom or being made like
Friendly orbital laser deployed. We tied for the lead. Hardpoint is hardpoint contested.
bro with all that swift movement still died. Why is nobody coming from here? Oh, we won! Damn. And I'm not MVP.
Capture the objective.
That's crazy. That's really crazy. Anyways, got a lot of kills. Oh, I'm actually MVP.
Nice work. Well done.
Finally. Finally. Okay, on to the next match. I'm not gonna be saying much in this match. I really wanna low key lock in for real.
Hardpoint. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint is ours. Point is ours. Enemy shock RC is coming. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint identified. Hardpoint locked down. We've taken the lead. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested. RC is coming. Hostiles have captured the hard point. Predator missile on standby. Friendly vehicle inbound. Friendly Predator missile inbound. UAV online. Enemy UAV spotted. Our UAV is up. Good work. We've taken the lead. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have captured the capture the objective. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Enemy sentry gun has been destroyed.
Watch out, flashbang!
Tied for the lead. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted. Another UAV up. Flying. UAV online. RAPS activated. Advanced UAV is ready.
And with that, we come to the end of today's video. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.